A similar exhibition, Delhi Wood 2019, when a few of us got together and decided that this industry needed an association. And for whatever reason, maybe because I was the oldest, I was tasked with setting up the association. It started from there. Of course, there were to go back even further. At every, a few of us would meet, decide, we need an association, and then nothing would happen till the next exhibition. But at Delhi Wood, this changed, and the first steps towards forming the association were taken. Unfortunately, COVID came. Okay, we lost a year and a half. So the association got finally, registered, established in end of, I think, 2020. But the need for the association, this is where, we all come in. And why was this need for the association felt? One is, we needed a common platform where members would have their say to be represented. We needed also a common platform where, we could do things like represent to the government, for example, where, individually as companies you would not be able to do. But as an association, we could do it. Also, for, let's say, we organize it, and okay, it would be easier for NM to talk to the association, so that everybody benefits the exhibitors, and then it will be easier. Skill and training was one of the main objectives of the association, which we still have to get around to do it. Unfortunately, like I said, we lost a couple of years in between, but now the association the momentum is growing as the industry is growing, and this is the time now when we have the opportunity, and we must take this opportunity to grow the association and with it the industry. And then, yes, like Rahul says, we have to all come together through the association to train people. That is critical to the industry, because today anybody who wants to buy a machine wants a skilled person. And there are many instances, where somebody says, I'll buy a machine, you give me an operator. Okay. So this is one of the things that both the association and I believe where FFSC can come in a big way, is how we should take this forward. We have to navigate through all to come to, the benefit for everybody. And I hope the panelists, the guests can, discuss on this, and the association is there to take it forward.
Yeah, I still remember that 2019 Delhi Wood, sir. We all broke our barriers that day. I mean, we were in kind of, competition and all those things. So that day we said, okay, we break all these barriers, and then we say, let's go along with the industry. And we said, we have put some steps. Right. Thank you very much for that. And now I would like to...
Here I would like to say that, we really got cooperation from the founding members. To start the association, put in that initial effort, that capital, Now we have to include everybody. That is important.
Yeah.